So another day, another package arrived. Some brake levers that I ordered from eBay is the clutch and the brake lever. I was looking online and came up with this ones, and they're like $21 free shipping. It took roughly 5 days to arrive here in Arizona, and I was gonna use the original ones that the bike has, and but I want to give it a new look to the bike, more appealing to the eye. So I end up ordering these levers and the clutch. So I'm gonna open the package and see the condition of them, the quality, and also go from there and then do another video on installing them on my bike. It's a Ninja 300. It's 2014. So I think it fits the 250s and the 2016 models. I think it's the same. So I'm gonna open the package and show you. So it comes in a bubble wrap, and this is the brake lever. It's red. Gotta put a lot of accents on the motorcycle that they're red, like the stickers and some other decals that the bike has right now. So I end up going for the red color. I think they look decent. And this is the clutch. Yep. So you can see this is the clutch lever. Has the adjustment numbers on it. The color looks really nice. Yeah, so basically this is the clutch, and this is the brake lever. So yeah, this is basically a quick video on the stuff that I'm ordering for the bike, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna do another video probably this week and show you all the other parts that I already installed on the bike, and the quality, and like I said before, do a video on how to install this one, so the Ninja 300, and post it. So keep in touch, and I'll keep you guys posted.